Today we will try Get It Fit Ninja rice plus chicken plus curry sauce. I don't know it's will good or not, and maybe after this I will die, I don't know. But we will see. Now I will cook it 10 minutes in here, but okay. This pack have ta-da! Looks not so good, but maybe taste will be good, I don't know. We will check. And here I see I can cook microwave, pot with water and pan frying pan. I think I will choose this because I don't have microwave, but microwave it's 2 and 5 minutes. Pot with water it's 10 minutes, and with my lovely 10 minutes too. Okay, we will I think choose this because I don't have microwave. And now we will try. Smell it's good. Looks I don't know, like just rice with curry. So I don't know. It's not something special. Smell like curry too. So I think I don't know. On the pack I read about it's very healthy food. It's very good food. Okay, we will try. Rice very strange taste because I don't know. And it's spicy. I don't like spicy food. Rice like very strange taste. I don't know, I'm cooked 10 minutes. But rice like caoutchouc. I don't know why. We will try chicken. Chicken. A lot of salt. No, for me a lot of salt. I don't like a lot of salt. So I don't know. Curry, yes, I feel curry. I feel curry and I feel strange taste. I don't know. Now you see. Because before what I eat you don't know, but now you see what I eat. No, for me it's very spicy. I don't like spicy food. And sometimes I can eat something with curry, sometimes not. I don't know. All this week I was in the shop and I searched something special. And my second video I will make about Polish noodle. They have maybe 5 different noodle, 5 taste noodle, yes. And maybe it will be good, I don't know. I will show you in next my video. Only in one shop I find this. And I think, yes, I think I can try it. And very soon I will try restaurant. Because restaurant it's something special, yes? It's not like just because why I will do like this. I'm from Belarus, yes, do you know about this? I hope. But now I live in Poland. And for example, I compare pizza Belarus and pizza Poland, and I can say you pizza Poland it's fine. It's not so good. Pizza in Belarus better, very better. Pizza in Belarus better, and a lot food better. I try in here, I don't know, maybe 7 times pizzeria, yes, and only one time I have good pizza, only one time. So I don't know, I will try. Burgers, yes, pizza, noodle, Chinese food, I don't know, sushi. I tried 2 times in here. One time I was ordered in Coco Sushi in here in Poland, and it was so small sushi. Oh my god, no, it's not real, it's not normal. It's very small sushi, and it was so high price. For what? For 7 or 6 small sushi? I don't know how much you need eat. You need eat the sushi for you full, yes? I don't know. So, and what I try? I try kebab. In here it's not so good. Chicken it's fine. I think I don't will eat this chicken. Maybe only rice. I'm tried, I think 3 times or 4 kebab, and always it's not so good. Of course, different place. I don't know why it's not so good. Special, yes. They have in kebab, they have chicken and cow, sometimes pig, yes. And chicken very small, cow very small. So spicy for me. And a lot vegetables, a lot. Green and potato, sometimes potato, yes. Green and cucumber and tomato, a lot. And you don't feel this taste, yes, you don't feel, because of course I'm compare with kebab in Belarus and the kebab in here in Poland, and in Poland So now I know. And I was check burgers before, of course. I will check with you, but before I check too. Sometimes burgers so small, sometimes burgers very big, but this very big only bread, yes. So I don't remember how many times I tried burgers, but only one restaurant it was good, only one. And here I must wait so long time, two hour, sometimes 3 hour. Yes, we have in here very fast restaurant, but sometimes they write you yes, we will after 2 hours, and after 2 hours they call and they said again we will after 1 hours. Yeah. So it's not good. If I'm hungry, yes, and I want it, I pay for you. Courier, I pay courier for this, and so long time wait. So long. So I don't like. I don't know, maybe it's very healthy, but I can't say what it's very good taste have. I don't know. It's very strange. Maybe rice, maybe I can eat only rice, but not chicken. And very spicy for me. And here in Poland, I must pay courier. No, for example, if my order, I must pay. For example, for 2 person, yes, I must pay 60 zlotych. It's I don't know, maybe $20, maybe 15. I must pay courier $3. So for order for 2 per person, I must pay $25. But for what? For not so good food? No, I don't know. I can't eat it. For me, it's not so good. Today I will hungry. If we will have 5 points, yes, I think I can give only 3. Only 3. Not 5, not 4. Not 5 because it's not so good taste, yes. Not 4 because this chicken so strange, and this rice very strange. So 4 no, maybe 3, yes. 3 because if you like, if you love spicy food, it's for you. If you love healthy and fast food, it's for you. And it's I must pay for this not so much. I don't remember how much, maybe $3 or 2. Not so much. So 3 points, not 5, not 4, 3 points. Today I think it's finished, yes, because I can't eat this all. So next time I will check noodle, and after I don't know, we will see. So I think you will like it, subscribe me, read my comments, write for me comments, and bye.